These little guys are everywhere, aren't they?
Yeah, they're coming down from our big tree over there. Look, that's our big tree. You put them in the water to see if these things can swim.
No, just don't do that.
Woo!
We're gonna have another rainy, stormy afternoon. We went outside for just a little bit before it starts, but right when we went out there, it started sprinkling. So now we're putting on some music and we're gonna clean. We've got to clean out from under the furniture. Normally when I clean under the furniture, I like to rearrange, but we really like this arrangement, so I'm not gonna rearrange. We are gonna move these back though and clean under them and mop in here. We gotta clean windows. I normally like to do that on sunny days too. So, you know, when you just go outside, leave the doors open, clean the windows, but they are really bad and definitely needed. I don't know. Oh yeah, there you go. Now you can see that. See that? That's Manny prints right there and right there. And that's not all. Right there. I'm pretty sure they're all his, because on these top windows, they still look pretty good. It's those bottom ones, you know? Same thing with the windows on the doors. See, these top 6 still look pretty good. When you get down here, that's where the trouble starts. Right there.
It's gonna get up and up until it gets to the really top windows.
You can't reach these 6?
Yeah. Were we arranging?
No, I just gotta clean up under the furniture.
Oh, there was my pen. If your feet have pops, you can like pop them like this. Let me show you. You just can hear it when you wake up in the morning. Pop them.
When you wake up in the morning, you can pop your ankle.
When you wake up in the morning and do this, you can, it feels really good.
Yeah.
Hey, sissy. In the mornings, you can pop your ankle. I was trying to go to sleep. And then, when I woke up, then I went back to sleep.
Sissy's giving us a drawing assignment.
A bird.
Jonah's on one side and I'm on the other. Field or something with flowers and an animal.
It's also a happy evening.
Is it a sunny day or a cloudy day?
Sunny.
Sunny day. Okay. I am not a good drawer. Okay, now I gotta figure out what animal.
Is the rooster going swimming?
What? Did you That's just the sky behind him.
What about on him? And his eyes.
See, I copied that rooster up there. Does it look like that one?
Yeah. Which one?
All right, Manny's turn.
What's this?
A bush.
Yep. Now I need an animal color. I'll do a bird. What's that in the sky, Mama?
It's a bird?
Yeah, it's coming out.
No, it's a plane. No, it's Superman.
It's an evening sun, Mama.
Oh, an evening sun. I'm sorry. I'm smelling coffee over here. It's making me want some coffee.
Now the sky's gonna be blue. Here comes the cloud. Hopefully the bird doesn't go near the sun.
Yeah, hopefully. Ooh, there's a lot of clouds today.
Yeah, it's too many. The bird's flying over the clouds.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna build something hanging down for the bird, a birdhouse.
We almost did the exact same picture.
What?
Here they are. It was so funny that we both put our tree over here to this side and we had this little hill going here. 2 clouds. It's time to cook supper now. Tonight we're having taco salads. I was gonna make Fiesta fries, but everybody would just rather have taco salad or tacos. So if you would like to make Fiesta fries, all you do is make some French fries and then you just put your taco toppings on top of the French fries. I thought it was a good idea. Jonah's already got some shells set up here to make tacos. This is a little thing that we got with the Blackstone. A couple of years ago, I think we got it. Speaking of the Blackstone, it has got to be cleaned because the pollen attacked it out there. It's covered in pollen. We need to get a cover for it. I mean, it does have the cover over the actual griddle part, but the top of it and the bottom little shelf thing and all, it's like yellow from pollen. Change of plans. It's still gonna be about 40 or 45 minutes now before Titus gets home. So I'm gonna just do a few other things for about 30 minutes before I start cooking because taco salad won't take long. I'm gonna get the coffee maker ready for in the morning, switch the laundry out again. That coffee smell working its way in there to you when you're just still waking up in the morning, it's a wonderful thing. I'm still loving the Panera Bread Colombian coffee, y'all. This is the only one I've tried though. Somebody asked what roast it was. It's just medium roast Colombian. They have a few other ones. When Ingles puts it on sale again, I'll get one of the other ones to try. So this is my coffee scoop. It used to say coffee on it right there, but it's made to like clip onto the bag, you know, but most of the time we put our coffee inside this thing over here. There's 8 o'clock coffee in there right now though, because we never finished the 8 o'clock when we got some more of the Panera. But yeah, I do 7 of these scoops for 12 cups, around 6.5 to 7. It's pretty much 7 scoops.